license. I have.
Ayan ang aming driver. American people.
Look out, everybody!
From Alabama. Is my poging asawa. My poging asawa, you know what they mean? My handsome husband.
Confused there, aren't you?
Yeah. Galing niya mag-drive. Don't speed up. It's not a pick-up. You know, this place very cold, honey. Gustong gusto ko tong place na to. Ayan, oh. If I am here, I feel cold.
That's because of all
Yeah, because a lot of the tree under the
shade and this cool breeze blowing here. It's cooler
Yeah.
here than it is out in the open field somewhere.
Yeah. Ate Pot, nabasa mo yung message ko sa'yo tungkol sa kaarawan niya. Meron bang magsasayaw? Hindi naman tayo maghahanda ng marami. Kahit 6 kayo, pwede. Sa Martes na yon, honey, your birthday on Tuesday.
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried. Where are we going on your birthday?
Probably nowhere if I got anything to do with it.
Oh my God. Did you hear that? Ate Pot Pot? Sumagot ka naman. Ano ba yung tulungan mo ko sa gagawin natin para sa kanyang kaarawan? How old are you on Tuesday, honey?
78, I think.
Wow, 78. Just you looks like 70. No maintenance. Yeah. Healthy ang asawa ko na
If
yan.
it wasn't for these motorcycles, people could drive out here.
Punta kami ng RCS. Mag-grocery ng kaunti. Kasama ko yung 2 kong apo.